Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smartphones with the original Apple iPhone 13 mini. Now, I know what you might be thinking: why should I choose a refurbished phone over a brand new one? Well, let me tell you, the original Apple iPhone 13 mini that we have in store is a game changer. With no scratches on the appearance and 100% normal functionality, it's just like getting a brand new phone at a fraction of the cost. But that's not all. The battery life on these bad boys is between 85%, 99% of the official standard, meaning you get longer durability without breaking the bank. Plus, with a 15-day unconditional return service and a warranty label on the tail, we've got your back every step of the way. And let's not forget the free gifts that come with it: a 20 WPD fast charger, a silicone case, and a screen protector. It's like Christmas came early, am I right? So, if you're ready to take your smartphone game to the next level, click on the link in the description and get your hands on the original Apple iPhone 13 mini today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Happy shopping, techies!